tulagan ay walang tirik. Imo'y nanay
Basilio? Crispin?
katutyan.
Nasaan kayo? Mga anak!
Kakalpapay hili-hili tulagan ay.
Sa isang mundong puno ng pangako, may isang inang walang natanggap, kundi pait at luha. Crispin, Basilio, dalawang musmus na nawalay, dalawang inosenteng kaluluwa, pinaglaruan ng kalupitan. At ngayon, isang pusong wasak, isang diwang ligaw, isang inang naghahanap. Ngunit sino ang makikinig?
Basilio! Crispin! Mga anak! Nasaan kayo? Basilio! Crispin! Mga anak ko! Basilio! Crispin! Mga anak ko!
Sisa is a loving and devoted mother, characterized by her deep affection for her sons Basilio and Crispin. She is also portrayed as naive and submissive, easily manipulated by those in authority. Her values center on family, faith, and hope, despite the hardships she endures. Sisa contributes to the novel's themes of injustice, oppression, and the suffering of the marginalized. Her tragic fate highlights the abuses of power by the colonial authorities and the vulnerability of the common people. Her descent into madness symbolizes the psychological tool of oppression and the loss of innocence.